You know, the word Holy Grail gets tossed around quite a bit these days about all kinds of vintage things. But when you talk about vintage go-karts, I would say that the McCulloch R-1 kart, developed in 1961 by the McCulloch Corporation, definitely right at the top there of Holy Grail karts. Definitely known by its signature safety yellow paint, the same paint that was used on their early chainsaw engines. Also, a lot of really great features, including the Ackerman steering, which allowed the inside wheel to turn a little tighter than the outside wheel, reducing drag and allowing the cart to literally use the back wheel sliding on the corners to control the cart. Quite a feature. This one here is our special edition. We've done some special things to it. We've polished the floor pan after removing the steel one and adding a stainless steel one. It's polished top and bottom. We'll show you photos in the photo gallery that I'll be adding today. It has the Mach 20 racing go-kart engines. Those were 1961 engines. They were top of the mark. Most powerful engine per cubic inch made in 1961. Just quoting right from the McCulloch ad there. They had the polished McCulloch flatback carburetors, the chromed tins, all the proper decals. They've been gone through, blueprinted, professionally rigged, ready to roll. This kart can show or go. Got the McCulloch steering wheel. That McCulloch center cap, very hard to find. Another feature would be the two-part frame that Jim came up with, Jim being Jim McCulloch. It's a two-part frame, like I said. Now, the back frame slides into the front frame. It's a satellite frame, they called it. The back frame slides into two slots there on the front frame at the back there and has 8 rubber mounting points for vibration control. Now, that was their idea, to cut down on the vibration for the engines and for the driver, cutting down fatigue. They also added that satellite bucket seat there. That was their own innovation. Very deep, very comfortable. This one's been completely made from the original molds that we have from an original seat, and we've added a special ribbing on it because this is our special edition kart. The rear frame section has also been triple show chromed. The magnesium wheels have been done in a two-tone. They're original. Original pedals, tie rods, steering shaft, all show chromed. This would be top of the line. Top of the line kart. Back in the 1960s like this, without all the chrome, would have been about $650. Imagine in 61 how much that was. You could buy a car for that. This is the end of our 7-day auction coming up here tomorrow. So this will be our last video on the kart. Any requests for photos can be put in the comments. We're out here in Phoenix, Arizona, where we're happy to arrange shipping for you. So there it is. 1961 McCulloch R-1 Racing Go-Kart Twin Mach 20s. Were you ever going to see one like that? That's the crown jewel of any collection. Bidding ends Saturday. Hop on board and come on down.